Now you want some gummy bears?
Look, Amy, watch this. Look at, you take your pen, take the pen, and on the back, look at the words go away. Look, Eve, did you see how the word went away? Look.
Hey, look, Mama.
See? And then use it on the back.
Yeah, you want Reese's peanut butter egg? Gummy bear.
Yeah, after breakfast you can have gummy bears. After breakfast.
What is it? Gummy bear?
Mama.
Maybe we should go look for the eggs.